Okay, hold on a sec. I'm gonna put it in. 8, okay.
North.
8887.
04. I need to see your tag. 10420. Well, the license, it looks like it's actually got a couple phone numbers here for him. 801.
What is this to?
This is a Utah Valley animal license tag.
Might be an escapee. We can take him over here. We're going to just meet over here.
Yeah.
We're not too sure how animal services are. Sit. Good girl.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, sit. Sit.
She's so pretty.
You are pretty. Someone loves you, huh?
I've got the license number.
Stay.
It's N-267.
Wait, come here.
Number or email
Come here.
for that for her with you guys. Awesome.
What happened here?
There was a dog on the road. We stopped. We picked her up and brought her into an animal hospital to see if we could find the owner. She has a couple tags. So yeah, we got in contact with the owner and he's on his way.